Through normal operation, printheads will wear out and require replacement. A thermal printhead is also subject to damage or abuse in the normal course of operations. If a damaged printhead cannot be repaired, it must be replaced. All of Intermec's current fixed commercial and industrial printers have user-replaceable printheads. This makes printhead replacement an easy and tool-free procedure, which reduces downtime and maintains productivity. Intermec has a printhead replacement program open to users of Intermec's fixed printers. This program replaces printheads that have not been damaged or exposed to abnormal wear and tear. The customer must use Intermec printers and agree to exclusively use Intermec media. A replacement printhead is available for every 1 million inches of media purchased. The process for replacing the printhead is shown here. Further information can be found in the printer's user's guide.
This concludes our video on the PX6i printer. Thanks for watching. Look for other support videos on this channel as they become available.